technology and livelihood education, family and consumer science, food preparation. Lesson 3 Part 2. Our topic is salad and salad dressing. Review of the previous lesson. Crossword puzzle. Cutting techniques. Directions. Read the clues and write the correct cutting techniques in the crossword puzzle. Directions. Look at the picture below and identify the cutting technique used. Choose your answer from the box. Think about the parts of a salad. Can you identify and describe each part? Guide questions. 1. What do you usually see in a salad? 2. Why do you think each part is important? 3. Can you give example of ingredients in each part of the salad? Salad and salad dressing. Salad is a mixture of raw and/or cooked ingredients such as vegetables, fruits, grains, or meat. Usually served with a dressing. It can be served as an appetizer, accompaniment, or even a main dish. Salad and salad dressing. Why do people choose to eat salad? Because eating salad is a healthy choice. Salads are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fibers that help keep our bodies strong and healthy. Salad aids in weight management. Salads are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them great for a balanced diet. Salad is good for the heart. Eating salads can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Salads aids digestion. The fiber in vegetables and fruits helps improve digestion and prevents constipation. Salad can boost immunity. The vitamins and antioxidants in salad ingredients help strengthen the immune system. And salad is delicious and versatile. It can be made in many ways using a variety of ingredients and dressings to suit every taste. Salad is more than just a dish, it's a smart, delicious choice for a healthy lifestyle every day. Types of salad. Green salad. Made mainly with leafy green vegetables. Vegetable salads. Made with a variety of raw or cooked vegetables. Starch salad. Made with starchy ingredients such as potatoes, pasta, rice, or beans. Compound salads. Made with a combination of 2 or more different ingredients such as meat, vegetables, fruits, cheeses, and eggs. Fruit salads. Made with a variety of fresh fruits, usually sweet and refreshing. Composed salads. Also called arranged salads. It is made with different ingredients neatly arranged on a plate. Components of a salad. The first part of a salad is the base. It is the foundation of the salad. Usually leafy or other vegetables. The next part is the body. It is the hearty ingredients that add texture, flavor, and substance. Next is the dressing. It adds flavor and moisture to the salad. And lastly, the garnish. The finishing touch that enhances appearance and flavor. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What do you usually see in a salad? Number 2. Why do you think each part is important? And number 3. Can you give examples of ingredients for each part? Remember, a well-made salad has balance in base, body, dressing, and garnish. A well-made salad is more than just a mix of ingredients. It is made up of 4 important components: the base, the body, the dressing, and the garnish. When these 4 components come together, They create a salad that is not only delicious but also nutritious and visually appealing. Types of salad dressing. Salad dressing adds flavor, moisture, and richness to salads. The first type of salad dressing is the vinaigrette dressing. It is a light dressing, made by mixing oil with an acid such as vinegar or lemon juice. It has a thin consistency and is commonly used for green salad. Example of this are Italian dressing, balsamic vinaigrette and lemon vinaigrette. Next is the mayonnaise-based dressing. It is a thick, creamy dressing made primarily with mayonnaise. It is often used for vegetable, potato, pasta, and fruit salad. Example of Thousand Island. Next is the cooked dressing. It is dressing prepared by cooking ingredients such as eggs, sugar and seasonings until thickened. It has a smooth, creamy texture. And the cream-based dressing. It is a rich and creamy dressing made with dairy products like yogurt, sour cream or heavy cream. It adds a smooth text and mild flavor. Example are blue cheese dressing, sour cream dressing and yogurt dressing. In summary, the four major types of dressings are vinaigrette, which is light, oil and vinegar dressing. The mayonnaise-based dressing, made with thick and creamy mayonnaise. The cooked dressing, prepared by cooking ingredients until thick. And the cream-based dressing, usually rich dressing made with cream, yogurt, or sour cream. These different types of dressing can turn simple ingredients into a delicious and exciting salad. Let's make a healthy and delicious salad. Things to remember. Wash hands before and after handling food. Wash all fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Use proper cutting techniques for safety and uniformity. Use clean tools, utensils, and bowls. Work together and share tasks. Keep your area clean and dispose waste properly. Enjoy your healthy salad and be proud of your work. Remember, a good salad starts with fresh ingredients, proper preparation, and teamwork. Activity: Student salad making. Read the directions carefully and prepare all the materials and ingredients before starting the activity.
This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.